Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will explore Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of November, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.15. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unexpectedly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 1.64%. This results in an average return of 0.41% per day since it received the sell candidate designation. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a potentially favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $135.96 is breached, it could signal a slower rate of increase and may serve as an early warning of a possible trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 32.91% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 30.71% to 52.08%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of about 167.26% over the coming year, with possible returns between 142.77% and 198.98%. This would imply a price range of approximately $335.63 to $413.34 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Nvidia stock price up 2.15% on Friday. The Nvidia stock price gained 2.15% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 29th of November, 2024. The stock rose from $135.34 to $138.25. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.43%, reaching a low of $136.05 and a high of $139.35. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of those days, resulting in a decline of 5.8% during this period. On the last trading day, the volume dropped by 77 million shares, with a total of 141 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $19.510 billion. It is important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices could indicate a divergence, potentially signaling upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $152.89, and the lowest price recorded was $45.01. Currently, the price stands 9.58%, or $14.64, below the 52-week high of $152.89, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia is currently in the spotlight following an impressive rebound in the technology sector. The Technology Select Sector SPDR fund has recovered from recent losses. Nvidia's stock, which has seen an astonishing increase of over 185% this year, remains a focal point as analysts project a potential upside of nearly 28%. This optimistic outlook is bolstered by a positive trend in earnings estimate revisions, which could drive short-term gains. The company has reported surging demand for its artificial intelligence hardware in the wake of ChatGPT, leading to record revenues and operating income. CEO Jensen Huang emphasizes Nvidia's crucial role in the ongoing AI revolution, highlighting its efforts to modernize data centers and establish AI factories. This suggests strong growth potential in AI-driven markets. However, Nvidia's reliance on a limited customer base presents long-term concentration risks, despite robust cash flow and capital expenditures from major technology companies. Recent market fluctuations and consumer price data have introduced some volatility, with Nvidia experiencing a slight decline after a significant rally. In the short term, the recovery of the tech sector, coupled with Nvidia's strong performance, may support further price appreciation. Yet, prospective investors should consider the concentration risks and macroeconomic conditions that could affect long-term growth. Overall, Nvidia's position remains strong, but cautious optimism is warranted as the market navigates these evolving dynamics. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same date, Cantor Fitzgerald rated NVDA as overweight with a hold recommendation. Also on that day, KeyBank gave NVDA an overweight rating alongside a hold recommendation. Additionally, Oppenheimer provided NVDA with a perform rating and a hold action. Lastly, Piper Sandler rated NVDA as overweight with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor this stock closely. There were also some negative signals issued, which could influence its near-term performance. Currently, Nvidia stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $140.15 and $140.80. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024. And so far, the stock has declined by 7.14%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 2 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average had a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a sell signal 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 41 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia finds support from accumulated volume at $131.60. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with considerable trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.30 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.43%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.33%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might suggest that the stock is overvalued, or it could indicate that investors are anticipating strong growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2026 is expected on the 19th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 83 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $139.56. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a significant point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $131.60. If this support level remains intact, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of November 2024, Dabiri John executed an insider sale of 716 shares of common stock. On the 7th of November 2024, Ochoa Ellen performed an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 9th of October 2024, Stevens Mark A conducted an insider sale of 155,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of October 2024, Stevens Mark A conducted an insider sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of September 2024, Stevens Mark A executed an insider sale of 40,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 97.895. Overall, insiders purchased 48,359 shares and sold 5,813,866 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? The Nvidia stock presents several negative indicators. Despite the recent positive trend, we anticipate that Nvidia will underperform in the coming days or weeks. Hence, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of December, we expect Nvidia to open lower by 36.7 cents and begin trading at $137.88. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.